All right. So yeah, this little man is 9 years old. Go ahead, put that guy in there.
There's like stuff right here.
Oh, staples?
No, the hoodie.
Oh, you mean the mud?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beat it up. Now we gotta sweep it away, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. There you go. And since it's so little, you should be able to actually slide it down a little bit. You hear me? Oh, you got it. Oh, you're playing backwards. All right. Yeah, hold the top. Now you can move it over and yeah, there you go.
Now I'm gonna have to tap it that way.
All right. Which on the camera you can't even really tell there's a little gap, but. Got it. I had to look at it in person because I can't even see the line on camera. Yeah, that's good. That looks like that was printed that way. All right.